Everyone, remember to like and subscribe, share the videos if you enjoy them, because I'm an over 30-year-old who's restarting life, starting to heal, and going into new territory. So please join me. Your life isn't over because you're not in your 20s, and we're not behind. We can change it anytime. So if you want to go through the ups and downs of healing and new adventures and reframing and starting over, please join me, and I wish you all the best in the world. So join the adventures with me. Bye, humans. Okay, so now we are working on the purse project. So I showed you this purse before. I will insert that little clip here. I have a Barbie purse because, as you can see over there, I like Barbies. I'm not ashamed of it. Don't like, oh, you're 32 years old and you like Barbies? Yeah, what you gonna do about it? Nothing. I love this purse that came with one of my fancy Barbie outfits, and I tried to find it, and the closest thing I found was this. And I was like, but it doesn't have the pretty stud details. So I found some pyramid studs, and I think we can make this happen with a few tweaks. Then I have, and now we're back at it. So I have this part done. So I went and I got, as I showed you before, some of these little pyramid things. I have some fabric glue. I have la tweezers. And I have also already glued these on. And then I will show you how I have these set up and lined up. So one of the things that we have to do to turn my other purse into this purse is work on the handle. So the handle has studs on it, and as I said, I already took care of that. But this is very long of a handle. This has a very short handle. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to see, I have some needle nose pliers. I'm going to see if I can just open this up, and if not, I also have some wire cutters if I have to do that. And if you're wondering about the matching set, they came in the same toolbox that had that set. So let's see, can we get it out? I will report back to you in just a moment. Okay, so we got the handle free, but I also need to get both of these free. And what I have discovered that I need is to make sure that I can just take these things off. This one is crushed a little bit, and I discovered I needed, I could have really used 2 needle nose pliers for this, but yeah, you get in there and you separate it. This one, like I said, it's kind of pinched together, so I might just end up cutting through this one. Be back. Okay, so now we have that fixed, and we just have to attach it to one side or the other to make it look similar to this. And now we got to get to gluing all these bits. I don't realize how weird things look till you put a camera on them. Anyway, to help do this purse thing, I have counted out, we have 5, 4, 5, 4 on the lines with the studs. So I have lined them up here and here in order of 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. And I will put them on. Got a little messy on this side, but we're gonna wait for it to dry and we should be all set.